What up, y'all? It is currently February 27th, and I am about to go pick up fireworks for the 4th of July. So yeah, see you guys there. So y'all, we're here picking up the fireworks. It's a lot more than I thought it would be, so this is gonna be fun trying to play some Tetris. I'll show you guys it when I finish. Got it in there, boys. Got them all in there. This thing is freaking loaded with fireworks, bro. Y'all enjoy this time lapse. I'm not gonna, it's hot as shit. So, there's our giant firework wall. What's your thoughts there?
I'm ready.
Oh, I got a couple months for that, but we also got all of these, a bunch of fountains, and another little box right here full of kid stuff, more fountains, all the fun shit. But god damn, that's a lot of fucking fireworks. So here's what I guess you would say is my script. We have total of 3 stations. This is the main body. Well, this is the intro opener right there. Then this is the body. It's pretty long. And then here's our finale right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and set aside the finale, and I just kind of want to see what this looks like. So here's the setup for our finale. It's all gonna be quick cues together, so it's just gonna light all the way to the back. But it's a little rundown of the finale. Got a tack wave 63 shots on top of Mobile Menace, which is 35 shots, Mega Mini 96 shots, Silver Screen 35 shots. Then we have a finale set called the VIP, which is 60 shots in each of these boxes. Then we got Match Magic, 25 shots, big old Nishiki uppercut, big 9-shotter. And then we have SWAT Team, which is a 20-shotter. So that makes for a total of, I think, 513 total shots. Because we're also gonna have 14 shells go off with this at the same time. So this is the finale. Alright, it's been 2 months since the last time I worked on anything firework related. It's just been kind of sitting here under this tarp. Got the mortars over here, but we are going to be continuing to work on this. So let's go ahead and try to knock out some stuff. So we have 2 of our mortar launchers set up, drilled in, and ready to go. As you can see, this one does have a slight angle on it. I'm hoping that it helps when they shoot up, they kind of go off to the side. This one will be in the middle, so it's gonna be going straight up. I do have a slight fear that some of these flimsier ones are not gonna last, especially these guys down here. They're nice and loose. But I think I'm gonna do the same thing I did over here, wrap some duct tape around it, call it a day. But I also have to make one more. So yeah, we got middle, right, and then we'll have a left. And just hopefully it looks beautiful when it's getting shot off. All right, so I didn't wanna bore you. I made the next one as much as I could. I still have to go get 4 more shells, which is gonna take another box, so that's okay. But we're gonna have 1 there and then 3 more right there. We did go ahead and duct tape these all together so they're more secured. And yeah. Since we got our finale set up, now we got one more thing to do, and that's to set up all the stations. And with the power of editing, it's all set up. Yes, it is still the same day. I went grocery shopping, so it's really dark outside. But let's get you some close-ups of all these pads. Yes, I still have to go get the final 4 tubes and the last 24 shells for that, but it is pretty much all set up. So yeah, the next time you'll see me, it will probably be like a week or 2 out from the 4th of July, and I will be fusing all of these together. I will have the measurements down, all the wires pre-cut, or all the fuse pre-cut, and yeah, I'm just gonna have to fuse it together. So I guess I'll see you guys then. Holy shit, it is finally the 4th, and we are at our place where we're gonna be shooting. We have all of our pads set up. We got pad 1, pad 2, pad 3, the opener, and the finale, which is covered up because it's, you know, gonna be the last thing shot. So I don't want nothing light and early on it, but we have everything else set up. And yeah, we're just gonna wait for the night to start. And I got a couple surprises. Since the last time you heard about it, y'all thought these are all gonna be fused up with one fuse. And as you can tell, they're not. And I will say the only thing that is fused up are the shells. Me and my wife and my friend all filled all these up, or fused all these up, and they're all on each station, just ready to get shot. But I have something special for these guys and everything else. So we'll see you guys when it gets a little closer.
There you go. That's loud as fuck. What'd you say?
What, y'all joined the army at the same time? Or?
Nah, I joined like a year before him.
Yeah. So what, you're older than him?
Nah, he's older than me.
That's crazy.
I joined at 17, yeah.
And what, you're designated driver for them?
Yeah, I think so.
Alright, fair enough.
I drank like 6 beers. I'm good. They fucked up.
I took the bottle off and fuck what I'm drinking.
Fuck it. Keep drinking. We ain't got nowhere to be.
What about it?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Like you saying he's from
Fuck that water. Drink that water.
like,
Yeah, I was about to get you.
Eventually.
Shoot!
My bad.
Oh, freak, dude!
There you go.
What are you talking about? I didn't like that.
Man, I don't know what point. Hey, how did it look? Who's that? I said, okay. You're fit
Where you at?
Nah, he forgot.
That one almost went at everybody.
Hey, you're blocking the way. You're blocking the view.
That's a rocket. That's definitely a stroke rocket.
Run, boy, run.
Rockets. A little bit.
Oh, they trying to compete. Just a minute, okay? He's only one guy. Y'all can move that.
I don't know, but I watch your ass start moving quick. Hey, bro. Hey, I was too slow. He's like, I ain't playing with this. I thought you juked somebody else too, bro. He's like, I ain't finna play with this. I need 5 more. I didn't even mean for it. I need 5 more to shoot at you. No. I'll tell you this, I ain't giving him no more shots. Please don't.
He don't need no more.
I'm sorry, guys.
Nobody got that shit.
Nah, she recording. They recording. Somebody got it.
You know what she wants? You know what she wants? Where? Behind you! They're not doing nothing.
Oh my gosh.
He said, this is my kid. Hey, Warren, he's a designated driver.
Please.
So,
we could.
I'm just letting you know we're all good.
Maybe.
Huh?
If I get a phone call and I gotta pick somebody up from
Hey, I'm gonna be honest. We gonna walk before we get a phone
all I'm
call.
gonna say you get the phone call is gonna be from both of us.
We gonna be walking before we get a phone call.
I hope so.
Don't do it. Hey, Warren. Warren, can I hit that?
I don't know. Come here. I'll cheers with you.
She said, absolutely not.
Cheers.
There you go.
Boo boo! Ask Camilla does.
There you go.
Burn down.
That's dope. We got it.
Woo! That was close!
Who's that for?
Woo! That's how.
My bad, my bad.
Woo! His face spins. It's pretty cool.
Oh, wow. He did it.
I'm so happy I was That's cool. I've been saying it. I'm trying to get rid of it.
Stop talking shit about her, man. Hey, where's the second torch?
Got it. You gotta sit, buddy.
You need to put your phone up.
Yeah, I know.
Because this is the
Yeah,
last
you're good,
fountain.
you're
I
good.
gotta go shoot
I'm gonna have to
fireworks.
move to see everything.
Go ahead, go ahead. I'm gonna record this also.
Yeah. You shouldn't have fucking paused it. Don't be paused.
I know.
That's the second time I've done it.
I gotta light it.
Hey, you fucked it up. I didn't see it blow up because you hit it. Yeah, I stopped. I didn't know. He wants a juice. Not really.
Well, that shit was a blast. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Here's the aftermath of our mortars going off. We lost 3 of them. They're gone. One blew up in here and it fried the whole thing. It was kind of crazy, but I mean all the other ones survived. They did pretty well. We got a graveyard of fireworks, and we still have more out here to pick up. But we picked up as much as we could last night. And by the way, the surprise that was lighting these guys were these igniters. They're pretty fire, honestly. They worked well. Only one didn't fire off the igniter, but other than that, man, everything went great. And we lit it off by hand, but hey, it is a crazy aftermath when you come out here and look at it. Some of these are wild. But, I mean, hey, that's the price of having fun shooting fireworks. Is you gotta come back and clean up. Well, that was the 250th birthday of the great USA. $3,500 of fireworks in the air. So, shit, I hope you guys enjoyed. And man, we'll see you next time.